Can you hear that? That's the sound of a transistorized flasher. If you're used to the click, 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 click of traditional flashers, this is different. Hear that? Flashy, flashy. Flashy, flashy. And flashy, flashy. So, yeah, man. Woo-wee. So the hazards work, the signals work, lights are working. And again, transistorized flashers. If you have a F600, check out my videos. Check out my last video or some shit. It's kind of sick. Oh God, that brings me back to driving the old 3-ton this came out of as a kid. Anyway.